Hello and happy Father's Day. My name's Paul Pelzarski, and this is a brand new listing my wife Jody and I just put on the market with the owners of Arizona IQ Realty. We're in Apache Junction, Arizona 85120. Now I'm inside the house right now, but let me show you the new house that you need to get for your dad, the best home out there. Let's start at the front and work our way back. Take a look at this house and happy Father's Day. You're in a cul-de-sac in a dead-end street, away from all the traffic. Now the HOA owns that land across from your home. There's your mailbox. There's the street to get out of the neighborhood. But let's go inside your new home. Thanks for visiting Zillow and YouTube, and thanks for visiting our video. Let's go inside the home. Now this first part up front, it's set up right now as a home office with multiple phone lines. Now this could be a formal dining room, or you could put a grand piano in there. Piano music, please. Now there's where I was standing. Gorgeous kitchen, granite counters, eating kitchen, tile in all the right places. This is an upgraded former model for the neighborhood. Now let's go outside. Okay, I'm not going to put any music in the back yet. I want you to hear just how quiet it is. And there's a boat gate. Do you like grapes? Have you thought of making wine? Let's go back inside. Granite counters, upgraded cabinets, double ovens, a pantry. There's the front entrance. Now let's go into the bedrooms. Master bedroom. Master bathroom has a separate shower and a garden tub, separate toilet, walk-in closet. Love those double doors. Folks, Jody and I have both been realtors for over 20 years. We can help you with this house or any other house on Zillow. And when you're buying a home, our services are free, but our knowledge and experience simply priceless. Here's the second bathroom. Now that's 2 full bathrooms. There's bedroom 2. That would be the boat gate outside the window. That's that side of the house. Lots of built-ins. Would you like to schedule an appointment to see this home? Call us. Email us. You can try smoke signals, but I'd rather you either call or email. We'd appreciate that, because we want to hear from you, and we want to make contact, and we want to help you out. Now this is what's really rare in here. So you got a 3-car garage, and we're looking out the garage windows into the cul-de-sac. This house was built in 2007. You don't find many homes, 2007 or newer, in a cul-de-sac, quiet interior location, with a 3-car garage, single level, no stairs. So we're looking over the bedrooms one last time. That's what really gives this house, and plus the condition, and it's a former model. Master bedroom again. Call us 480-777-7898 or email us info@weneedtomeet.com. Again, a lot of built-ins. Tile in all the right places. True pride of ownership, and it shows. Former model, semi-custom, popular floor plan, many upgrades with a premium cul-de-sac location. 3 beds, 2 baths, 3-car garage. Don't miss this opportunity. There's not a lot of homes in this area, this quality, this price. Call us about this or any other home on the market. I'm Paul Pelzarski. My wife Jody and I, we've both been realtors for over 20 years. We own the company. We can help you with all your real estate questions and needs. Thank you for watching this video.